And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged mayors of BJP-led municipal corporation to focus on holistic development of their cities and give priorities to ease of living. Addressing a two-day BJP mayors conclave at Gandhinagar through video conferencing, the Prime Minister asked them to work for the betterment of their cities through people's participation. He said the municipal corporation are closely connected with the day-to-day lives of the people, so it is the responsibility of the mayors to gain the trust of the citizens. Modi asked the mayors to focus on planned urban development, building economic centres, better urban transport and housing, and cleanliness in their cities.
सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात है सबका प्रयास। ये जो वैचारिक परिपाटी भाजपा ने अपनाई है, वही हमारे शासन के, गवर्नेंस के मॉडल के, डेवलपमेंट के मॉडल के, हमारे शहरी विकास में भी वो झलकती है।